Race guys, Green City.
This summer, Vancouver hosts 7 FIFA World Cup matches, and the aim is to do it sustainably. While mega event such as the World Cup can in theory accelerate policy change, environmental forethought does not appear to be a central priority for a city that recently proposed to eliminate the sustainability team. Recent comments by Mayor Kim Sims suggest that the World Cup is instead being leveraged to expand hotel capacity, promote BC tourism, and strengthen institutional capacity to host future large-scale events. Sustainability appears, at best, a secondary consideration with little information to date on the City of Vancouver's environmental strategy for the tournament. Waste management may represent one of the few areas where meaningful progress is possible. BC's Play's recent introduction of a reusable cup program provides a tangible precedent that, with amendments, could be scaled for the tournament. Few things have the power to bring people together as reliably as sports, and as a big football fan myself, the tournament is provoking conflicting feelings. This summer will offer show, spectacle, and celebration, but I'm worried that the game plan for sustainable sports seems to have been left on the sidelines. Check out my article to learn more.